Hi guys, a beautiful day in New Zealand. Still winter, but pretty warm today. And I wanted to show our Audi A6 that we just installed the Abiloader in it. It's the first time we do this model for some reason in New Zealand. It's a reasonably nice car. Roomy boot with some challenges, but we still made it work. So I'll show you how it works. So that's how it looks inside. Reasonably achievable or reachable delivery position. So it is a very long car, and the tilt of the rear door brings some challenges. This is the reason why we had to come up with a slightly different approach for the latch. Normally our latch goes up. In this situation we've done it so it flips towards the back, and then the wheelchair could be rolled out and rolled back in, latch it and send it back into the car. Wheelchair in, the closing. Yeah, and this is 2020 model Audi A6 Allroad Quattro. Thank you for watching.